Then the big story just coming in, there's been an earthquake in North India. Initial reports suggest that the epicenter was in Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, the latest details that we've got say that the epicenter was in Jangalwar in the Doda region of Jammu and Kashmir. The earthquake which struck at 12:27 India time had a magnitude of 5.9 on the Richter scale. Tremors, however, were felt all across North India. In Pakistan as well, there are reports of tremors having been felt. In some places, people even rushed out of their homes and offices, but no reports of any damage so far. So that is the latest earthquake of 5.9 is what we're learning. It measures on the Richter scale. There was some confusion whether it's 5.7, 5.9, but now the latest is 5.9 on the Richter scale, and it is the epicenter was Jangalwar in Doda region. Well, Nazir joins us for more on that. Nazir, we could feel some of those quakes here. The tremors were felt in Delhi, but tell us what the experience was like over there.
Well, it was a very, very strong tremor here that was felt across Jammu and Kashmir state, and authorities are still assessing, trying to get information from far-flung areas to assess if there's any damage. But it really created panic. People came out of their homes and offices, and people were really in a shock because it is the third, rather fourth earthquake in last 3 weeks. Earlier, even yesterday, there was a low-intensity earthquake that was 4.1 intensity, but today's was very, very strong. As we are hearing, 5.9 was its intensity at Richter scale. So it really created panic. People came out, running out of their homes. And as I said, it is the fourth earthquake in last 3 weeks in Jammu and Kashmir. People here still remember those very bad, memories of 2005 earthquake that caused huge destruction and damage to the life and property in Jammu and Kashmir in 2005 earthquake. So really the earthquake with this intensity, with such frequency happening in Jammu and Kashmir is really creating panic among the people, and as I said, fourth earthquake in the state in last 3 weeks.
Right, Nazir. Now, I can just read out the tweet sent by Omar Abdullah, the Chief Minister. He says, I felt those tremors in Srinagar. Strange thing is that I heard the rumble before the house started to shake. We also believe it was a very long earthquake lasting several minutes.
Well, when we were inside the office and we could feel it continued for 10 to 15 seconds, and really it was really such a, as we are hearing that it is 5.7 magnitude and its epicenter was eastern Kashmir, and that is what we are getting from our official officials here. Very strong tremor earthquake that has hit the valley, and as I said, authorities are still assessing if there is any damage to the property or the life from any part of the state, because it is office time. Children were in the schools, people were in their office and in their business places. Everyone came out, and in some areas we are hearing that the communication system was affected for some time, but that is now again that is restored again, and the authorities are trying to see if there's any damage to property or life from any part of the state.